In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check top fans on Facebook. This feature can be incredibly useful for page managers who want to identify and engage with their most dedicated followers. Let's dive right into the process so you can start recognizing your top fans today. First, you'll need to log into your Facebook account. Make sure you're using the account that's linked to the Facebook page you manage. If you're not already on the home page, click on the Facebook logo at the top left corner of your screen to get there quickly. Once you're on the home page, it's time to navigate to the Facebook page you manage. This part is crucial because top fans are identified within the context of a specific page. Next, open a post that's received a lot of engagement. This could be a post with numerous likes, comments, or shares. The reason for choosing a highly engaged post is that top fans are usually those who regularly interact with your content. As you scroll through the comments on this post, keep an eye out for users who have the top fan badge next to their name. This badge is a small icon that appears next to a commenter's name, and it signifies that the person is one of your page's most active followers. It's important to note that the top fan badge is automatically awarded by Facebook. There's no manual process involved in assigning these badges, and they are given based on the user's engagement levels over time. Facebook's algorithm takes into account the frequency and quality of interactions, such as liking, commenting, and sharing your posts to determine who gets the badge. Currently, Facebook doesn't provide a dedicated list of all top fans on your page. This means you'll need to check post comments regularly to identify and acknowledge these top fans. It can be a rewarding experience to engage with your most loyal followers, so make sure to take the time to thank them or even offer exclusive content or shoutouts as a token of appreciation. If you're managing a large page with lots of interactions, keeping track of top fans might seem challenging. However, regularly engaging with your audience and monitoring post comments can ensure you're always aware of who's actively supporting your content. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to identifying top fans on Facebook. By following these steps, you can start building stronger relationships with your most engaged audience members, ultimately fostering a more vibrant and supportive community around your brand or page. Thank you for watching and happy connecting.